In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT with images. If you want ChatGPT to look at a picture and help you understand it, describe it, or respond to it, the process is very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along and start using image uploads right away. First, open ChatGPT and go to the chat where you want to work with an image. Once you're there, look for the plus icon near the message box. This is the button that lets you add extra content to your conversation, including files and images. Go ahead and click on that plus icon to get started. After that, a menu will appear with different upload options. From that menu, click on Add Photos and Files. This tells ChatGPT that you want to attach something from your device. If you don't see the exact wording right away, just look for the option related to uploading an image or file. Next, upload your image. When your file browser opens, choose the image you want ChatGPT to review. This could be a screenshot, a photo, a document image, or anything else you want help with. Once selected, wait a moment for the image to finish uploading. It's a good idea to make sure the image is clear and easy to read, especially if you want ChatGPT to identify details or text accurately. Now that the image is attached, the next step is to make a prompt. This is where you tell ChatGPT what you want it to do with the image. For example, you can type, "Describe this image." That's a great starting prompt because it gives ChatGPT a clear instruction. You can keep your prompt simple like this or make it more specific depending on what kind of response you want. The more direct your instruction is, the more useful the answer will usually be. Once your image is uploaded and your prompt is written, click on Submit. This sends both the image and your request to ChatGPT so it can analyze what you attached and respond accordingly. And that's it. That's how to use ChatGPT with images. Just click the plus icon, choose Add Photos and Files, upload your image, type your prompt, and submit it. If you want the best results, use a clear image and write a prompt that explains exactly what kind of help you want. With those basics, you'll be able to get better, more relevant responses from your image-based chats.